The World Health Organization has reacted to President Donald Trump's decision to withdraw the U.S. from the WHO. In a statement released today, the WHO says it hopes the U.S. will reconsider the move. It says it looks forward to maintaining its partnership with the U.S. for the benefit of the health and well-being of millions of people around the world. Well, earlier we spoke to Ovigwe Eguegu, a policy analyst at Development Reimagined, on the major changes announced by President Donald Trump a few hours after taking office. Ovigwe believes there will be a funding gap issue and shortage of technical expertise with the withdrawal of the U.S. from the World Health Organization. Here is what he had to say.
The U.S. has been a big contributor to the World Health Organization, and that goes a long way in ensuring that the programs and projects that the World Health Organization does across the world continues, to go in operation. But with this, of course, there's going to be that funding gap issue, and also the global health response is also calling into question because the World Health Organization is the global body to oversee global public health cooperation between countries, and the U.S. there provides technical expertise, not just even funding, because of how it's been influential all over the years. But it goes both ways. So in the sense that the U.S. also stands to benefit, or rather, in this case, loses from withdrawing from the World Health Organization, in the sense that the U.S. pharmaceutical companies could, see acceptance of U.S. pharmaceuticals affected, and their distribution of those pharmaceuticals are affected. So there's going to be a two-way impact in a sense. This is going to split the continent because on one hand, you have people who are very vocal in the support of the Paris climate agreement and really want to see African countries leapfrog from fossil fuel and going straight to renewable energies. And then you have the other camp who are very skeptical about the ability for the continent to really industrialize using renewable energy, because there's really no evidence of that being done anywhere. This comes as a sigh of relief in the sense that, one, it takes that US pressure off them, but also means promise of investments and revenues for oil-producing countries, or countries who are looking for investments from the US into the oil sectors, and also critical and strategic minerals as well. The United States has, of course, been a host to refugees and migrants from across the world for many, many years, especially coming from South America. And you have many of those people going to the US and claim refugee status, and then you have people from wars far away where the US has really been involved in one way or the other, and using those refugee resettlement as a way to shoulder some of the humanitarian responsibilities. So this is going to be very wide-ranging. Even if you can select a few countries from South America, even from Gaza, and all of that, it's going to affect people across the world, even Sudan, for instance, right? So because that is still ongoing. So this is going to be very impactful from across the world.